Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the 8th part of 10th chapter tenths and hundredths of class 5 subject mathematics, and I am Jai Prakash. Let's start the class. Now come to today's topic, and the name of the topic is money from different countries, and in this topic we will solve some questions based on the conversion of currencies of different countries. So now let's start it. So have you seen any notes or coin used in any other country like dollar, dirham, won, etc.? So now here is a question for you all that what is the currency of our country? Yes, you all are right. We live in India and our currency is rupees, and the symbol of the Indian rupees is Ra. Now Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money from money of different countries. So here is the table of Shivam Bank. So let's have a proper observation of this table. In first column we have the name of countries. In second column we have money, what are their currency name, and in third column we have changed into Indian rupees. For example, first one is Korea, and the currency of Korea is won, and 1 won makes 0.04 rupees. Similarly, Sri Lanka, its currency is Sri Lankan rupees, and 1 Sri Lankan rupees makes 0.37 rupees. Similarly, we have Nepal, Hong Kong, South Africa, China, UAE, USA, America, Germany, and at last England. And this all rates has taken on 15th February 2008, means these are the past records. Dear students, this is 2021 and the rates has changed. So now I will ask you what is the current rate of 1 USA dollar, means 1 USA dollar makes how much rupees? So if you know the answer, comment it in the comment section. Now come to some questions. Question A: the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? So according to this table we see that in the last column we have Indian rupees, so we can see 77.76 rupees we are getting as a change, and it is from England, means 1 pound makes 77.76 rupees. So this is the highest. Now question B: Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? So dear friends, first you have to understand that how many American dollar is there. So here is 10 American dollar, means USA dollars, and 1 USA dollar makes 39.70 rupees. Okay, so $10 means, so let's make a solution for it. Then he is also using 350 rupees for his school trip. So now make a solution. So first we will write here given. Okay, let me write it properly. We can write we have. So what things we have? 1 USA dollar, this is the symbol of dollar, makes 39.70 rupees. So you can also give the symbol of rupees. So 10 USA dollar, it will make 39.70 multiplied by 10. So now you will get how much? Yeah, it's a simple multiplication. 39.70 multiplied by 10 means you will get 397, and here are 2 zeros, means put here 20 in the place of product. So now count the digits after decimal. So this is our decimal, and we have 2 digits after it. So put 2 digits from the left side in the product. So 1 and 2 means this one 397.00. It means he has 3 means he got 397 rupees. Okay, and now he used how much rupees for his school trip? 350 rupees. So we can write now money left. How much money is left with him? So money left is equal to, so total money he got from his uncle, so it is 397 minus money he used, that is 350. So 350. Now subtract it and get the answer. 7 minus 0, you will get 7, and 9 minus 5 it is 4, and 0 3 minus 3 and 3 minus it is 0. So 47 rupees he will he is remaining only. Now in another way we can solve this question, means in terms of currency. So how can we solve in terms of currency? Let's have a look for it. So as we know that $1 is here 39.70 rupees, means 39 rupees and 70 paise, or we can also write it as $1 means 39 rupees plus 70 paise. Now $10 means here we can see that 39.70 is splitted. Okay, so $10 means we have to multiply with 39, okay, and also multiplied by 70 paise. So now 39 multiplied by 10, it is 390 rupees. Remember it, it is 390 rupees plus, we have to give the plus symbol. 70 paise multiplied by 10 means it is 700 paise. Now in next step, this is 700 paise, so we can write as 7 rupees, because 100 paise makes 1 rupee, so 700 paise will make, yes, 7 rupee. Now write in the next step 390 plus 7 rupee means total 397 rupees. Okay, so it was an solution in terms of currency. According to the NCERT books, we have to try to make solutions like this, okay, in terms of currency. Don't go on long multiplication. That was just for the calculation, okay, to find the answer. Now 397 rupees we have converted, means we found, and now he used how much money? Means 350 rupees he spent on his school trip. So we can write money left with him means 397 minus 350. So we will get 47 as the difference. So 47 rupees is left with him. Now come to the next question. Question C. So here Majid's father is working in UAE, okay, United Arab of Emirates. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? Means here is a comparison of Majid's father and Arun's father, that who is getting more rupees, more Indian rupees. So for that, what we have to do? This money means 1000 dirham and 2000 Sri Lankan rupees, we have to convert in Indian rupees. Then we can compare easily that who is getting more rupees in foreign. So let's have a solution for it. So our first statement, let me give a for, because we are finding the Indian rupees for Majid's father. Okay, so let me write the heading for Majid's father. Now I will write 1 UAE dirham UAE dirham makes how much rupees? From the table you can write it. It is 10.80 rupees. Okay, so 1000 UAE dirham is equal to 10.80 multiplied by 1000. Now it's a simple multiplication. Just write 10.80 means 1080, and how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Put 3 zeros in the place of product. Now count the digits after decimal. So 1 and 2. So from the left side in the product, put means count 2 zeros or 2 digits and put a decimal. So we got 10800 means 10,800 rupees. Yes. Okay, 1000 UAE dirham makes 10,800 rupees. So keep these rupees in your mind. Now let's make a solution for B number, and B means Arun's father. So write the heading for Arun's father. Let's see how much Indian rupee is getting Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka. So according to the table, one Sri Lankan rupees makes 0.37 Indian rupees. So let me write this statement. 1 SL rupee is equal to 0.37 rupees. So 2000 Sri Lankan rupees is equal to 0.37. 0.37 means 37 paise. So let me write 37 directly. Okay, here we can write 37 paise in the place of 0.37. So let me write here 37 paise multiplied by 2000. Okay, so 37 2 ja, it is 74. Okay, and how many zeros are here? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So we got 74,000 paise. So 74,000 paise means it will make how much rupees? Yes, 740 rupees. So this is the income of Arun's father. Okay, and Majid's father income was 10,800 rupees. So now here you can compare who is getting more money. So here we can easily say that Majid's father gets more Indian rupees compared to Arun's father. Now come to next question. Question number D. Lina's auntie brought a present for her from China. So what is the currency of China? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, it is yuan. It cost 30 yuan. Find what it cost in Indian rupees. Means we have to convert 30 yuan in Indian rupees. So for that we have to know that 1 yuan makes how much rupees. So from the table we can find that 1 yuan makes 5 rupees and 50 paise. So let's make a solution for it. You can write given, and here you can write 1 yuan makes 5 rupees and 50 paise. 5.50 you can also write. So 30 yuan is equal to 5.50 multiplied by 30. So it's a simple multiplication. It is 3 5 ja 15, 1 carried, 3 5 ja 15 plus 1 16, and 2 zeros are here. Now count the digits after decimal. 1 and 1 2. 165 we got. Okay, so 165 rupees will make 30 yuan. Now come to the next question. D we have solved. Now E. Astha wants some Hong Kong dollars and won. So first is here, how many won can she change for 4 rupees and also for 400 rupees? So won. Now another currency we got, and won is the currency of Korea. So come to the table, and there you will see that 1 Korean won makes 0.04 rupees. So 4 rupees is how much you won, and 400 rupees is how much won. So let's know it by making a solution. So first write given. So what is given? Means we know that 0.04 rupees make 1 won, right? And here you know that 0.04 means you can write in a fraction form. It will be 4 upon 100 rupees. Okay, means 1 won. Now we can write that 1 rupee will make how much won? Means now this number means 4 upon 100 we have to interchange to the right side, and when we interchange to the right side, its reciprocal number we have to write, means it will be 1 multiplied by 100 upon 4. So it will be how much? 100 1 ja 100 upon 4. So it will be 4 1 ja and 4 2 ja 4 5 ja 25. So we got that 1 rupee makes 25 won. Okay, so 4 rupees we can write here. So 4 rupees will make how many wons? So 25 multiplied by 4. So it will be 100. So here we got 4 rupees make 100 won. Right? Now similarly you can also write now 400 rupees is equal to as we know that 1 won makes 1 rupee make 25 won. So 400 rupees is equal to 25 multiplied by 400. This is won, remember it. Now 25 4 ja it is 100 and 2 more 0 means 10,000. So we have converted 4 rupees and 400 rupees. So we can say that 400 rupees make 10,000 won. Okay, Korean won. Now the second question is, so what is the second question? Let's know it. How many Hong Kong dollars can she change for 508 rupees? So Hong Kong dollars. So for that we have to know that 1 Hong Kong dollars make how many Indian rupees? So it is 5 rupees and 10 paise. So let's make a solution for it now. So first write given, then now you will write 5.10 rupees make 1 Hong Kong dollar, HKND, Hong Kong, then it is dollar. Now convert this number into its fractional form. So it will be 510 upon 100. Now 1 it will be Hong Kong dollar. So 1 rupee will make how many Hong Kong dollars? So once again same thing, this number you have to change, means you have to interchange to the right side. So it will be 100 upon 510 multiplied by 1, and it will be 100 upon 510. So 0 zeros you can divide, so you will get 10 upon 51. So this is the Hong Kong dollar for 1 Indian rupees. Now after solving it, we will get 5080 upon 51. So now we have to divide this number, means 5080 divided by 51. Let's see how much we are getting. As you all know that 51 10 ja it will be 510. So first 3 digits is 508, So by 9 we can divide easily, because 10 it is 510, so it is more than 508. So 51 9 we will get 459. So subtract it, we will get 9, and here we will get 4. Bring down 0, so we will get 490. So once again, 51 9 459 we will get. So it is 10 minus 9, it is 1, and here we have 8 minus 5, it is 3, and it is 0. So now you can see that 31 we cannot divide by 51, so 99 will be our Hong Kong dollars. Means in the change of 508 rupees, okay, we will get 99 Hong Kong dollars, and here is 31. It means it is 3 rupees and 10 paise. Why I am saying it as 3 rupees and 10 paise? Because if you will take 31 as rupees, 31 rupees, so it will be wrong. Means, as you know that 5.10 rupees is it makes 1 Hong Kong dollars, right? So in that condition, here is 31, and if it will be rupees, so we can easily change it, okay, because it is more than 5.10. So for that it is not rupees, it will be only 3 rupees and 1 means 10 paise. So in this way we have solved these all questions. I hope that you have very well understand this today's session, which was money from different countries.